Hey y'all, it's Lumina. So, Dolls sent me the entire Skella Animals collection, and my inner MySpace girl is freaking out. So, I thought I would give y'all an unboxing haul video. Let's check out what's in here. This box is full. Already took the shoes out. First of all, we have this adorable pink poodle. I think her name's Roxy. Backpack. I cannot wait to wear this. And her little tail is the zipper. 10 out of 10 on that one. It's so cute. Aww. And there's a little bat keychain. And this little heart has like rhinestones on it. So cute. I think I'm gonna have to give this one to my best friend. She loves bats. And little blue Dax the dog. So adorable. He's got the little rhinestone heart too. Little necklace. It says Smitten. Oh, and it's a little locket. I'm gonna have to put a picture of my puppy in there. Ooh. This cute little bracelet. It's got all the Skella animals on it. Fun fact, I have some of the first edition of Kit, the cat stuffed animal. Back from like 2008 or something. I loved it. And I had like the white version too. I had the black and the white. And I gave like the white one to like my high school sweetheart. It was cute. Oh, a little Kit beanie. Oh yeah, this is cute. I'll keep this on. Ooh. Classic studded belt with the Skella Animals belt buckle. That's gonna be so cute. It's a scarf. Oh, and it's got the bat. How fun. Aww. Another Roxy poodle. Little baby tee. It says, "Love is forever." That's so cute. I can't wait to put all this stuff on. Oh my gosh. Look at these pants. Oh, they got Kit on the butt. Okay, I really love these. As you can see, I'm a fan of the cargos. Oh, I'm excited. Ooh, it's got sleeves. cute as hell. And it's got the little sheer sleeves. That's gonna look great with the pants. Definitely keeping that as an outfit. What is this one? Kiss my bones. Rawr. Oversized look. This is giving me so many flashbacks to high school. It's funny. I love it so much. Ooh. Cute little skirt. It has shorts. That is a game changer. I love this. That is gonna go with the little poodle top. Ooh, sweatpants, cargo sweatpants with kit. Ooh, and then the back. These are awesome. And they're like wide leg. I cannot wait to wear these. Thank you so much, Dolls Kill. Y'all are amazing. If I had a time machine and could go back to like my 12-year-old self, I would cry having all this stuff. Cause it was like really hard to get emo, scene, goth stuff back then. Couldn't even get black lipstick, had to wait until Halloween. Oh, this is cool. Oh, and it's got a tail. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. Little tail. Ooh, it's bendy. That's cool. And you can take it off. Aww. It's a giant sweater. I like the stars. These are gonna be so cute. Another sweatshirt? Oh, I'm gonna have to put this one on. I see there's ears. It's a little bunny! It's got some big ears. I love that. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. What is this? A little coffin bag. Little bone handle. It's a backpack. He's like pleather. He's a bag too. Aww. That is so cute. A puppy purse. Good night, puppy. Ooh. Aww. Another bag. It's got all the guys on it. Pretty cute. Alright, one more left. Oh, it's a little pajama set. I still purr. Aw, that is so cute. And then it's got little bottoms. Purr. That is so cute. Ah, I'm so excited. Alright, now the part that we've been waiting for. The shoes. Look at these little bat boots. These are adorable and they're red inside. These are so cute. I've got all my winter clothes. Aww. I can't wait to wear these. Now these boots, I love them so much. Crazy. So crazy. And then they button to them. So if you didn't want to be all crazy, you could just wear them like these. Perfect little classic platform boot. And then that just slides on and you buckle it up. It's got some pretty good like tread on it too. Well, thank you guys for checking out my big haul, and thank you Dolls Kill for sending me all this. So next video is going to be a fashion show of all of these outfits, so keep an eye out. Thank you guys.